So when I type a variable x and I don't specify what I'm putting in it, then this variable x is an undefined variable. If I define a variable x and I say I'm putting 10 in it, then JavaScript takes a guess, okay, x is a number. Now undefined has become blue because it's a keyword. Like you must have learned that anything divided by 0 is infinity. But you try that on a computer and chances are you'll say undefined. Like anything raised to the power of 0 is 1 except 0 raised to 0. So 0 raised to 0 is undefined. So it's treated as a keyword. Thanks Robert. If I say variable name is equal to, and when you define a string you must put quotes. When you're defining a string you must use quotes. Okay, when you're defining a string you must use quotes. A number, and that's interesting, I'll just tell you, name is a string. Let me try this. Variable x is equal to 10. Anybody knows the difference between line 14 and line 15? If you put something within quotes, JavaScript says that's a string. JavaScript doesn't care whether it's 1, 0, 1, A, B, delta, anything within quotes as it is. But when you actually use mathematics and don't put it within quotes, JavaScript thinks, oh yeah, that's a number. So most programming languages. Now in most programming languages, and when we get into Unity and we do some stuff, you will see that you have to define what is the data type, what is the variable going to hold. Data, this is all data, information. But is this information of the type a boolean, true or false, or is this information a string, or is this information a number? Okay, and we have one more very useful type, and it's called an array. So if I say variable students is equal to now JavaScript actually allows you to have an array with two different data types, but it's not a good thing to do. But I can have things like, if I go around here, I have Angel, I have Nathan, and this is just me trying to remember your names. And I have Luke, and so on, Alessandro, and Kieran Cresswell. Okay, so I'll get there, but I can have an array, and I can also have an array of an array. I can have several arrays within an array. Okay, some programming languages will allow you to do that. Now this is an array. Students is an array. And I must tell you here right away that in an array, counting starts from 0. So the first element is the 0th element. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay? This is element number 0, this is element 1, element 2, element 3. Questions? Like that? Okay, so we have these types of variables. I'm just going to revisit my output statement, and I'm going to say document.write, and I can say hello with a space plus name. You see this? Now I'm not specifying hello and I'm not specifying Dilip. I can say hello with a name. What is name? What is sitting inside the variable name? Come on, talk to me, somebody. Dilip. So what are we expecting to come on the screen? Hello, Dilip. Yeah. Thank you for your wishes. Hello to you too. Okay. So we have this. I can also. I'm just going to do a big hello, Dilip. I'm just going to put a space there. Your score out of 10 is. Yep. And I'm going to put out of 10 is. I'm going to put a quotation there and I'm going to put a plus sign and I'm going to put in. I'll write score. Variable names should be meaningful. No. Sorry. My bad. This one up here. Score is a number. So this one up here, score is a number. So your score out of 10 is score. Or your score is, just sorry for this, your score is score plus out of 10. Okay. So now I'm using a variable in my output statement and I'm joining it as well. You can see the plus is a concatenation. If it confuses you, you can do it in 2 lines, okay? Say hello name, put a break and then go to the next line and do it. That's not a bad idea when you're beginning. So you can say hello plus name. You can, I'll just cut that. I'm just going to cut that. If you want it simpler, you can say document dot. Your score is score out of 10. So that makes it a bit easier. I'm just going to put a break tag here. And you see this break tag that I have here. So, hello Dilip, your score is this. Before I go any further, I'm just going to try this out. I've defined some variables which I'm using in output statements. I'll just try it out. Oh, there is an error. So I will just go and check my error. I might be able to do it here as well. Do I have an error console? JavaScript console. Unexpected token, illegal, line 13. I've done something illegal in line 13. Line 13 could also mean I've done something really bad at the end of line 12. Oh, because my comments are front slash, not backslash. Sorry. A comment is 2 front slashes. So if anybody has copied me putting backslashes, could you just fix that? It says unexpected token. It's basically saying, what the hell are you doing with those backslashes? It doesn't make sense to me. So let me just try it if it works. Okay, it's working. It's working. Hi, this statement is in 3 parts and you can see I want hello Dilip in the next line. So after 3 parts I should put a break. So now it goes in the next line. Your score is 10 out of 10. Anybody who is new to variables, does the idea of variables sink in? I'm going to stop this recording and just make sure everybody understands variables.